Newton.
Newton. Option B again. Question number 3. SI unit of density. kg,
Kilogram meter cube.
kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube.
Meter cube.
Option B again. Then we have question number 4. What is the, when a substance is heated, its density
Decreases.
decreases. Option B again. Then question number 5. The mass is measured by.
A beam balance.
Correct. Option A, beam balance. Question number 6. A hydrometer is used to measure
Density.
relative density. Option D, relative density. Okay, that's all I think. Now come to fill in the blank. In fill in the blank, question number 1 is the volume of an object is the dash occupied by it.
A space.
Correct. Space. S-P-A-C-E. Space. Question number 2. The volume of a liquid is expressed in dash.
Liter and milligram.
Liter. Liter.
Only
L-I.
liter, sir.
Yes, only liter. L-I-T-R-E. Now Santosh, milligram, it is the unit of mass. It is not the unit of volume or capacity. Now, question number 3. To read the volume of a liquid in a measuring cylinder, it should be kept on a dash surface.
Horizontal.
Horizontal, plane और flat. कोई भी आंसर चलेगा. Horizontal, plane और flat.
Flat.
तो में से कोई भी एक आंसर, एक लिखो. So question number 4. 1 centimeter cube is equal to dash ml. 1 ml. 1 centimeter
Yes, sir,
cube is equal to 1 ml. Question number 5. The SI unit of area is
meter square.
Meter square. Or you can even write square meter. Both are same. Question number 6. The relative density of a liquid, it is determined by using a dash. The
Relative density.
Relative density of a liquid is determined by using a dash. Hydrometer. Hydrometer. H-Y-D-R-O. Yeah, someone make mistake. I can hear the sound. H-Y-D-R-O-M-E-T-E-R. Hydrometer. Question number 7. Equal volumes of milk and water have dash masses.
Equal.
Wrong. Different. Because the density of milk is lesser than the density of water. Have different masses. Different masses. Question number 7 answer different. Then we talk about question number 8. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. A hydrometer is used to measure the dash of a liquid. Relative
Density.
relative density. Okay, now question number 3. Write the true or false. If anyone had failed to write the answer of any question, you can raise your hand. If anyone had failed to write the answer of any question, and those who came late, you people may have entered late. सुन लेते हैं एक बार. Nitisha.
Sir, question number 1. Sir, question number 1 of fill in the blanks.
Question number 1 of fill in the blank. The volume of an object is the space. SPACE. Done, Nitisha? Okay, she had completed. Okay, now let us continue with the. Anyone else have missed? Those who except those who came late. Except those who came late. Those who came late, they can manage or watch the video in the evening. Okay. Now we were talking about moving to the question number 3. Write true or false for each of the statements. The quantity of matter contained in a body is called its weight. It is false.
False.
The quantity of matter contained in a body is called its weight. It is false. Number 2, the gravitational pull acting on a body is called its mass. False again.
False.
The mass remains constant at all places. It is true.
True.
Question number 4. The SI unit of mass is Newton. False.
False.
Question number 5. Physical balance is used to measure weight of a body. False.
False.
Question number 6. The SI unit of relative density is gram per centimeter cube. False.
False.
Relative density doesn't have any unit. Then question number 7. The density of water is less than the density of wood. False.
True.
Then comes the equal volumes of iron and aluminum will have same density. Question number 8. It is incorrect.
False.
It is false.
Sir, why, sir?
Because the density of iron and the density of aluminum is different. They have different masses for equal volume. Okay, now the last one, question number 9. The mass per unit volume of a substance is its density. The mass per unit volume of a substance is its density. It is true.
True.
Okay. Then we move to match the following. In match the following, number 1 is mass.
Kilogram.
It must be kilogram. It must be kilogram. Then volume. It must be meter cube. Kumari, Komal. Komal Kumari, you have some problem.
Sir, true, false, number 8.
True, false, number 8. Equal volumes of iron and aluminum will have same densities. Incorrect. It is false. Okay, now Aditi Kumari. Aditi.
Sir, in true, false number 7.
Number 7, the density of water is less than the density of water. It is false. Okay, now, Mehul Raj. Mehul,
Number 2 of false 5.
5. Physical balance is used to measure the weight of a body. False.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Santosh, by mistake, I muted you. Unmute yourself again. Mehul, mute. Okay. Now, we'll see. Okay. Let us move to question number D. Match the following. Number 1, it is kilogram. Number 2, must be
Meter cube.
Meter cube. Then number 3, area. Area is meter
Meter
square. And last one, density is kilogram per meter cube. Okay, now find the odd one out. Give reason for your choice. Gram per centimeter cube. Just let me.
gram per meter cube.
Gram per centimeter cube, kg per meter cube, and gram per meter cube. Obviously, it is the gram per meter cube because it is not the standard unit of measurement of density. The reason will be it is not the standard unit of measurement of density. It is not the standard unit of density. Mehul Raj. Mehul.
Sir, can you say once more?
अरे भाई रिपीट तो कर रहे हैं, 2 बार 3 बार रिपीट कर चुके हैं. It is not the standard unit of density. Question number 2. Spring balance, physical balance, beam balance. Spring balance.
Physical balance.
No. Spring balance is the odd one. Spring balance is the odd one. Spring balance measures weight. Spring balance measures weight. Whereas rest 2 measures masses. Whereas the other 2 measure mass. Okay. Spirit, methyl alcohol, water, kerosene. Spirit, methyl alcohol, water, kerosene.
Water.
Why?
Because sir, there were multi alcohol, kerosene and a spirit are alcohol only, sir.
Now see, spirit and
Yes.
methyl alcohol is alcohol, fine. But kerosene is not alcohol.
No, sir. This one is oil, sir.
Then your answer is not correct. Now the answer should be they are spirit, methyl alcohol, and kerosene. These are organic compounds. These are organic compounds. Now, what is organic compound? Now, you will come to know later, but let me make you understand what is an organic compound is. Organic compound is something or the substance or the material which is extracted from decays of living beings. From the decays of living beings. means you can think of the fossil fuels, or you can think of the petroleum products. So we can say rest of these are the petroleum products. Okay. Now question number E. Differentiate between relative density and density. So all of you mark two columns. Mark two columns. There are 2 points in the density and relative density. On the left hand side, write density. On the right hand side, write relative density. Hopefully all of you did that. Make 2 columns, left hand side
Sir, in
density.
some summary, sir.
It is given in the summary.
Yes, sir.
No, I don't know whether it is given in the summary or not. No, not like that. Summary. Yes, I can see the summary over here. No, not like that. Write 2 columns, make 2 columns. I'll dictate you the answers. So on the density side, number 1, density is defined as mass per unit volume. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. आयुष
Mass also.
भी लिख रहे हो कि बैठे हुए हो? गाल पे हाथ देके लिखो.
Mass and density, sir.
Mass is defined as density per unit volume. आयुष भी हाथ भी उठा दिया. अच्छा आयुष पूछो. आयुष.
सर कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे थे, म्यूट.
हाँ, म्यूटेड तो था ही था. हम तो म्यूटेड रखे थे. तुमको सुनना है, लिखना है.
यस सर.
Okay. Now, on the other side, means the relative density side, you write relative density is the ratio of density of a substance. Relative density is the density of, sorry, I made mistake. Relative density is the ratio of density of a substance to the density of water अपरमया लिखते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे हो? To the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, now the second point on the density side, to calculate density of an object, then the formula density equals to mass by volume. Density equals to mass by volume. On the other side, relative density is equals to density of the substance, by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's all. Now the question number 2, difference between Soumya. Yes, Soumya.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Which one? Point number.
Relative density.
अच्छा, okay.
Yes, sir.
Relative density equals to density of substance by density of water, then by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Hopefully all of you were capable to write, hopefully. Then we move to the number 2, mass and weight. Once again, make 2 columns. There are 3 points.
Sir, in page number, sir, 19, sir.
Yes, I think it is given in your book also. I think so. Page number 19. Yes, you can write that. You can write that. Table 1.1 in page number 19. You have to write all that. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So in your exam, now there are 5 points. And if the question comes in your exam having 2 marks, so you need not to write all the 5 points. So what you will write first, the first difference must be the definition. Whenever you have to differentiate between 2 terms, those have definitions. The first difference must be the definition. हमेशा याद रखना, यही फिजिक्स का कॉमन मतलब डिफरेंस लिखने का तरीका है. If the term has a definition, then first difference must be the definition. Second, you can write any one of them. अगर 2 पॉइंट लिखना है तो पहला डेफिनेशन लिखोगे, इसके बाद बाकी 4 में से कोई भी 1 पॉइंट लिखोगे. और अगर 3 नंबर के लिए क्वेश्चन आया, बता देते हैं, 2 नंबर के लिए क्वेश्चन आया तो 2 डिफरेंस लिखोगे, बहुत ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 डिफरेंस लिखोगे. और अगर 3 नंबर के लिए क्वेश्चन आया तो 5 डिफरेंस लिखना है. Hopefully it is clear to everyone now. Then we move on to question number 3. Spring balance and beam balance. There is only one difference. And the difference is the spring balance used to measure the weight of an object. The spring balance is used to measure the weight of an object. Whereas it is one word, the beam balance is used to measure, the mass of an object. Okay. So now we move on to give reason for the following. Number 1, a beam balance is enclosed in a glass case. Aparmaya went out. Yes, who's this? Rajnandini.
Sir, can you repeat number 3?
Yeah, I'm repeating it. The beam balance is used, sorry, I just given the spring balance. The spring balance is used to measure the weight of an object. The spring balance is used to measure the weight of an object. Whereas the beam balance is used to measure the mass of an object. The beam balance is used to measure the mass of an object. That's all. Hopefully you had succeeded in writing the answer now. Now we are moving to question number G. Give reason for the following. Number A, a physical balance is enclosed in a glass cube. Why a physical balance is enclosed in a glass cube? The answer is the physical balance is kept in a glass cube. The physical balance is kept in a glass cube, or sorry, case. In the book it is said case, in a glass case, so that the measurement of mass are not interfered by the air
Interfered by
the air current, AIR current, CURRENT, air current. I'm repeating, just check your answer once again. The physical balance is kept in a glass case. The physical balance is kept in a glass case so that the measurement of mass do not get interfered by the air current, Okay, now question number 2. It is easier to sail a boat in sea water than in river water. It is easier to sail a boat in sea water than in river water. The answer is the density of sea water is greater than,
greater, sir.
yes, the density of sea water is greater than the density of river water. That is the answer. Number 3. Before I'm moving to the number 3, I'm repeating the whole answer again. Question number 2. Why it is easier to sail a boat in sea water than in river water? Because the density of sea water is greater than the density of river water. Okay, now in question, then I move to question number 3. The question number 3 says, in science laboratory, only a physical balance or a chemical balance is used. In science laboratory, a physical balance or a chemical balance is used. Tariq Riaz. Okay. What is the question? In science laboratories, only a physical balance or Tariq, I'll be coming back to you after dictating the answer. In science laboratories, only a physical balance or a chemical balance is used because they can measure. तारिक रियाज कोई मजाक चल रहा है क्या? हाथ उठा रहे हो ना उतार रहे हो, उठा रहे हो. If you want to raise your hand, keep it raised. I'll come back to you. And if you don't have any doubt, put your hand down. मजाक कर रहा है यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे. In science laboratories, only a physical balance or a chemical balance is used because they can measure the mass. Because they can measure the mass of a substance very accurately. Because they can measure the mass of a substance very accurately. Okay. That's all for today. We'll discuss the later question answers in the next class. We have only 2 minutes left for the class today.
Sir, I'm asking
Yes, Santosh.
the difference between question number 1, sir. Density is defined as mass, and I don't write.
Density is defined as mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. Yes, Mehul. Mehul.
Sir, give reason number 1.
Give reason number 1. Give reason number 1. Close the book also. Give reason number 1. Physical balance is enclosed in glass case so that the measurement of mass do not get interfered by air current. Aditi Kumari.
Sir, odd one give reason number 1.
Just now I gave you. Just now, give reason the.
No, sir, odd one, E number.
Okay.
E number.
E, not E, odd one out, it is E. Okay, E. That is, you had marked what is the odd one? Odd one is gram per meter cube, the last one. The reason is, it is not the standard unit. It is not the standard unit. Okay, Akshay Sambhav. Akshay.
Sir, G3 number.
किसका 3 नंबर भाई? बढ़िया से बोलो.
Give reasons for the following
Number 3.
number.
Okay. In science laboratories, only a physical balance or a chemical balance is used. That is the question. Because they can measure the mass of a substance very accurately. आज एकदम टाइम नहीं है, 10 सेकंड बचा हुआ है.